Hey guys, it's Molly. I had to give it one more try. I really didn't like all the cells that were in that last one. So I only put 1 drop of I took out some of the floetrol in my mixture, and you'll see below in the description. Added a little bit more GAC 800 because I'm out of everything else. I have to go to the store this weekend. So we'll see if this even works, but I only added one drop of silicone to the blue and to the aqua. So the purple and the white and the lime. I may have added a drop to the lime as well, actually. So the white and the purple have nothing in them. So we'll see if this does any better. I also took off a little bit of paint from the cups so that I could maybe stretch them a little bit more and get the cells out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I like those little stripes. Okay, so I'm liking the way that this one's coming out a little bit better already. And my 5,000 subscriber giveaway is still in the description below. So each of my videos for the next week, you guys will be able to find it and subscribe. I mean, to find it and, oh no. And enter. Okay, we'll see what happens here. Let me move a little. I'm going to try to move a little bit of the paint this way because I didn't do a very good job. I obviously cannot paint and talk at the same time, guys. Okay, so I'm liking this one a little bit better. Took out some of the floetrol. I'm afraid to get more cells to pop up. So let's see what happens on this one. I think maybe I'll try to get down here first. Grab a little popsicle stick because I don't want all this to come off the bottom right here. You know, it always happens to me, the cells that I love, like those right there, are always somehow on a side where I don't want them to go off, but they go off anyway. Let me get down to that edge down there. Yeah, I like the composition of this one better. I'm gonna move this back up, start tilting over this way. I'm out of gloves too, so. Center cells are getting a little bit wonky. We'll see if I can save them. I'm trying to bring it all back to the center. So I'll have to bring my paint back down. If you guys have something where you're trying to like fix something and the center's going a little bit crazy, you have to move the weight of the paint. So again, I'm in love with this side, not so much this side or the center. But we'll see what we can do. Just gotta stretch it till I get over there. And then see if I can stretch it back. I really like that side and don't like the other side. But we'll see what happens once I stretch this over to that corner. Now I'm gonna stretch it back to the center and then I'll go all the way down. Okay, I like this one a little bit better. Still some crazy cells here in the middle. I feel like this metallic paint, the cobalt metallic from Artist Loft, is very reactive for me with the pouring medium that I use. So again, this part right here, kind of a little crazy, but I definitely like the composition better on this one. And I lost all my green cells, which were my favorite, but let me wipe my hands and show you. Yeah, I like this one better. So there we go. That's a pretty cool one right there. That side over there had these really cool cells and they were all gone. I don't like that part right there. That little wonky part. But it is what it is. You get what you get, right? Those cells are really cool. I love those green ones for some reason. I might have to do one more tomorrow in this color scheme. And once I buy more supplies, see if I can get my pouring medium right. So for me, with all the stuff that I mix in there, this was just 1 drop of silicone in 3 of the colors, and this is what I ended up with. So people that say they can't get cells, thicken up the consistency of your paint. Just 1 drop, stir it a few times, and voila. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. Enter down below for the giveaway, and I'll see you guys soon. Happy painting. Bye.